All right, guys, we're going to be going over Alibaba's stock and the opportunities for you guys to make money with this stock. Alibaba, it's sitting at pretty low levels, 52-week lows. And it had a pretty harsh sell-off last week in the market. And that's really when everyone poured their money into put options, bearish positions. But I think that right now is a good opportunity to get into this stock. And even though it's been trending down for some time now, it's a really good opportunity for the stock to rebound. As we can see from my position, I opened a $125 cash secured put for next week. I don't mind owning this stock at $125 per share. I think that in the long run, this stock definitely is going to recover and do pretty well. And even a Goldman Sachs analyst is having a pretty positive outlook with this stock. He's keeping a buy rating with a 61% upside and removed it from his conviction list. So this analyst thinks that the stock can hit a price target of $215 per share. Although it is down from $252 from his previous price target, he still is implying a 61% upside move. Alibaba has been increasing its investments on both defensive offensive strategies amid slowing retail spending and budding competition to acquire new users, build multiple traffic sources, in the shorter term, raise merchant subsidies to retain merchants. So he's expecting revenue growth to decelerate quite a bit, just a little bit. But he also believes that all the negatives has been priced into the stock. And as we can see, it's very easy to tell that this stock had a huge sell-off last week. And we can assume that the negatives have been priced in. So right now, pretty good stock to buy the dip. And if we take a look, short interest increased heavily a few weeks ago from that massive dip. And as well as implied volatility, it's pretty much at its highest levels it's ever been, meaning that if you sell premiums on the stock, you're going to be collecting a lot, especially on the put side. Take a look at the put option premiums compared to the calls. Tons and tons of people put a lot of money into the put options. So this is a good opportunity if you're bullish or you think it's going to remain flat to sell some options. Premium is going to be pretty high, as we can see. Implied volatility is actually going to be around 65%. So normally the stock has like an implied volatility around 40%. So 65%, 66% is pretty high for the stock, meaning that the premiums are going to be pretty good for you guys to sell options on. You could do like a December 10th expiration. We can go pretty far down the strike safely because of how much premiums we're able to collect due to the implied volatility. So you can go like a $120 strike, for example, and you're going to collect $152 of premium in just 2 weeks. That's pretty good. And if you do get assigned shares, you get a pretty good cost basis of $120 per share. And if you do get assigned, no worries, just buy it, just hold it for long term, or just turn around and sell covered calls. Wheel strategy is pretty good on Alibaba right now. So that's our take on Alibaba stock. Good dip buying opportunity, in my opinion. Comment down below what your thoughts are, and of course, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.